Hey everyone, I just wrote this quick rap about cellular respiration. Hope it makes it easier to understand. Wrote it pretty quickly, so don't judge me, but here it is. Here we go. This is a rap about cellular respiration, a process that deserves our utmost adoration. It keeps our cells stocked with energy in the form of a molecule ATP. The equation calls for oxygen and a little bit of sugar. Without these it won't work, it does not occur. The products are water, ATP, and the gas CO2. Now let me break it down step by step for you. The first step is glycolysis, and it occurs in the cytosol, and in humans it does not require oxygen at all. It takes your sugar and breaks it down to 3C pyruvate. Products include 2-ATP and NADH, its reduced state. The next step forms the 2C compound Acetyl CoA. Pyruvate enters the mitochondrion to get this underway. It's going to lose one carbon and lose some mass. With the help of enzymes you get NADH and CO2 gas. The Acetyl CoA moves on now to the citric acid cycle, a complex process we won't cover in full. The products are CO2, NADH, and FADH2. During this step, 2 more ATP are accrued. Now the stage is all set for the last step, but before we advance, I must digress and explain a few things in a little more detail. For clarification, before we've been making ATP via substrate level phosphorylation. That won't be the case in the next step, so keep that straight. The electron donators are FADH2 and NADH. Which leads us to the next part, oxidative phosphorylation. It can get confusing, so pay close attention. This step occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane. It requires our electron donators and hydrogen ion to start the chain. NADH and FADH2 donate electrons to carriers on the inside. The electrons are carried up the membrane and the energy they do provide. This energy causes hydrogen to be pumped out against its gradient. And while electrons lose energy and make its descent, hydrogen wants to get back into equilibrium, and ATP synthase allows it to come. Back inside the membrane, the synthase begins to turn, spinning the wheel and giving a huge ATP return. This electron transport chain and the synthase make up oxidative phosphorylation, and it's your body's cell's veritable power station. When electron has finished its journey, reached the end, it finds the final electron acceptor, oxygen. This finds a hydrogen and makes an H2O. If you didn't understand it before, well now you know. Thanks guys.